One of the viral BEPRO network is also fails down, my friend, in the previous days. Yes, but this is not reason, my friends, to just in only BEPRO is fails down. In the previous days, my friend, you can see here all coin is very badly fails down. So don't see this short fails, my friend. I have after a short fails, they also take a very good jump. And congratulations everyone to BEPRO after this type fails, my friend. You can see here they also take a good jump. So it's mean to the profit. You can see here again start now, and the change occur is going to be a positive. So congratulations on everyone. What's the prediction? What's the update? What's the good news? The good news is also very important, my friend, for all of you. So everything discussed we with details in this video, but please, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe this channel. And yes, my friends, absolutely get the press bell icon, my friends, so you have update every time, and also like this video. Yeah, come to the point. As you can see, my friend, the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time the change occurred in the profit at 0.74%. I think I can't expect this, my friends, to take a this type of jump, especially in those days, because the all crypto market, you can see here, fails down. And if you can see, my friend, after a short fails, they also take a jump, but after a jump they also fails down. This is, my friend, reality, and this is all of my friend, every year, my friends, they're moving in this circulation. So it's mean, my friends, to completely they go in a zigzag. So if you can see, my friend, the price is a 0.013 USD dollar. I hope, my friend, they can hit 0.1 USD dollar just and only at the end of this month, my friend. But it's a reality today, can hit now easy possibly. So this time, my friend, I expect you I expect you, my friends, to you invest. And remember, this is not a financial video. Please be kind. If you are to invest, then please research personally. This is very good for all of you. And yes, my friends, kindly, I hope, my friends, the good news is very brilliant, and you also, my friends, don't miss this good news. The good news is that, my friend, I do a giveaway, my friend, of this time you can see here, my friends, BEPRO network coin, my friend, just in only 5 million, yes, 5 million coins, my friends. I do a giveaway, so the giveaway is coming soon. I make a special video for that, but you just only wait for the 10,000 subscriber. When we complete 10,000 subscriber, we starting giveaways. So thank you so much everyone. Again, Allah Hafiz, take care.